Welcome to the demo of our AI agent Karl on Microsoft Fabric, focused on manufacturing scenario. Microsoft Fabric unifies data, analytics, and AI into one seamless platform, making insights faster and simpler. On top of this, meet Karl, an AI-powered manufacturing insights agent built by Canarica, available as a Microsoft Fabric workload. In the manufacturing industry, profitability depends on plant efficiency, product quality, and reliable suppliers. Yet, without real-time insights, organizations risk production delays, excess costs, and quality issues that directly impact customers. Karl helps eliminate those blind spots. Let's see Karl in action. We ask, what is the average OEE across all plants? Karl responds instantly by combining availability, performance, and quality. Next, show plant-wise OEE. Karl highlights which sites are most efficient and which need targeted support. Then, what is the production yield for each plant? Karl surfaces waste versus output and helps teams improve profitability. Now let's switch to quality metrics. We ask, which plant has the highest scrap rate? Karl reveals waste hotspots and enables immediate cost reduction actions. Next, find the top 5 materials by defect rate and show criticality. Karl identifies risky materials and helps procurement and quality teams. We ask, show average rejection rate for each supplier. Karl visualizes supplier performance and highlights where to renegotiate, set higher standards, or diversify vendors. In just a few questions, Karl connects efficiency, downtime, yield, and supplier quality, giving leaders a complete view of manufacturing performance. That is the power of Karl on Microsoft Fabric, turning data into faster, clearer, and more impactful decisions. Here's a quick recap of what we covered. First, we showed how Microsoft Fabric unifies data, analytics, and AI, and how Karl builds on top of it to deliver real-time manufacturing insights. Next, we explored plant efficiency metrics with Karl, including OEE, MTTR, and production yield, helping leaders spot downtime risks and improve profitability. Finally, we looked at quality and supplier insights, giving manufacturers the visibility to strengthen quality and control costs. That's the value of Karl on Fabric, making manufacturing decisions faster, simpler, and more impactful. With Karl on Fabric, leaders get instant visibility into plant efficiency, downtime, and quality issues. Explore Karl on Fabric today. For more details, contact us at www.canarica.com/meet.